Hi, I'm Kartik Raval. I'm the Senior General Manager at Clima Uno Industries and Leminar Global. It started in the year 1971 when our founding chairman, Mr. Abdullah Sharawi, and our founding vice chairman, Mr. Mohan Walrani, the two partners who started this group. Today, the group stands at one of the biggest conglomerates in the UAE in the region. We're going to showcase a full diverse range of Clima Uno products. Well, innovation is something very core at Clima Uno. Our products are not only meeting the certifications, but we also exceed and offer one of the highest ratings when it comes to our product certifications. Our team, our R&D and design team is constantly working how we can make our products one step more efficient, more reliable and more energy efficient. We also ensure that we are part of the solutions for our customers. We also ensure our team is visiting the sites to ensure that the products which are reliable and efficient are also installed in the right way so that our customers get the benefit of that energy efficient products. We are looking to meet all the stakeholders, not necessarily limited to government officials, clients, consultants, contractors, FM companies or end users. Sustainability is, I believe, it doesn't only limit to a manufacturer or a product. It all depends how an end user perceives sustainability, how an end user uses an energy efficient product. Challenges in terms of supply chain is big these days with all this global tariff issues going on. But I believe that as Clima Uno, we are well geared up to take this challenge because we being a local manufacturer here, not heavily relied on an outside supply chain which hamper our timely deliverables to the market. Retrofit and replacements will always remain a big potential market and upcoming requirements in the future. I'm sure Clima Uno is well prepared to handle those upcoming requirements. We are really proud to be part of the first HVACR World Expo, platform for us to showcase our strengths, our solutions and our offerings to customers who are really keen to put good quality, reliable and efficient products on their projects or facilities. Would give us the right platform and the right visitors in the audience who would be for us to help our business and help understand how our growth pattern would be in the future. So on behalf of Clima Uno, I would like to welcome all of you to visit the HVACR World at the Za'abeel halls this November. Do not forget to visit our booth Z5B71 and see what Clima Uno is here to offer.